On everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer reservoir for a 2003 Chevrolet Trailblazer. The first thing you want to do is get your Phillips screwdriver, loosen this bolt, one here, then one here in the corner. On down, you might need to get a flashlight to see that one. Okay, once this covers off, you want to go ahead and remove your air filter. Move the hose, the intake hose out the way, little dot there, and then you'll need a 13mm socket. I prefer a deep wall with two extensions or just one longer extension. You want to remove this nut. There should be one right down there beside the pumps. Once those two nuts are removed, you want to come over here, these hoses. You want to pull those out of the little groove. You have your two pumps right here. You want to go ahead and either remove the whole pumps, or you want to remove the hoses and the clips here and the hoses right here on the front of the pump. Just be aware, if you do, if your reservoir is full, which if you're replacing it, it's probably not, fluid will come out if you remove the pumps or the hoses. So I'm not actually going to remove those pumps because I'm not actually replacing it, but I will lift it up and show you that there's a clip over here over here in the corner, that you need to remove before you completely pull it out. Okay, I got it lifted up. You see a clip right here. You take your finger or a flathead screwdriver, pull this hose out, and the tank should lift completely up. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Please like, subscribe, and have a good day.